Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin. I'm Chris, and today we are showing off our brand new Traeger that we got for everyday use. It's going to replace our gas grill. I'll show you the initial firing and seasoning and how easy that is. But first, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, down in the description box below, you'll find some Amazon affiliate links for some products that I use in my videos. Go ahead and click on those and see if anything interests you. Just a reminder that I do get a little bit of a commission from Amazon for those pieces, but you don't pay anything extra. Enjoy! Here is the Traeger Select Elite. It is the grill that is offered through Costco. At least that's the only place I've seen it. I don't know if it's available anywhere else, but it's much different looking Traeger than normal. It looks a little bit more like a gas grill, and that's the reason that we picked it up, because this is replacing our gas grill. It's going right in the spot where we had it before. And this is going to be our new regular grill. So the inside looks just like any old gas grill. Comes with the top warming rack here, which gives you a lot more space, and you've got 3 different porcelain coated grill grates. And the package that we got also came with a cast iron grill grate for searing, which is pretty awesome, so I'm pretty excited about that. The hopper is the newer design where it kind of funnels everything right down into the auger, which is good because you're not going to have to worry about any pellets getting stuck or anything in there, and you have to get in with your fingers to fish it out. There's also storage space underneath, and that is where your grease trap is. I'm making a video, that's what's going on. I know. And there's plenty of space under here. I've got just a few things here, some wax cubes for starting charcoal, lighters, things like that. I've also got a bag of pellets there. And right here is also the food probe, because that goes over here on the Pro controller. So we've got a spot for food probe there, and it will monitor what you're cooking, which is a nice touch. And we'll just take one of these out. And you can see there's the grease trap right there with the baffle, which covers the full size. So normally it does come with an extra shelf right here. However, with our old barbecue, I didn't use the side shelf over here. I actually had it pulled down, and we took it out so that it would fit in the space here, and I think it looks just fine.
So you're telling everyone about my new barbecue?
I am telling everyone about your new barbecue.
So this is my new barbecue. You'll see here, oh, the sun is shining. Look at that. Ooh, fancy. Yeah. So this is my new barbecue. I call her the Duchess. Did you already mention that?
I have not mentioned that yet.
Her name is the Duchess. The lady who sold it to me promised it would make hamburgers and hot dogs, and that is what I intend to do with it. Right, Chris?
That's right. Like I said, it's replaced our regular gas grill
that we got for our wedding.
10 years ago.
Yep.
So it's time that we upgrade. And the Traeger will give us kind of the best of both worlds. Easy smoking, easy grilling. And we're pretty excited.
Oh yeah, super excited.
So next I'm going to do the initial fire up and we'll start getting this thing seasoned. So for the initial firing, you want to make sure that you remove everything from the inside. So we've got no grill grates, no baffle, no heat shield, and you just want to see the fire pot. Okay, first, turn it on and set it to smoke. There, it's on smoke, and you can hear maybe a little bit. And what you want to do is put your hand down in the fire pot so you can feel some cold air blowing. That is exactly what I feel right now. And then turn the dial to shutdown cycle. Next step, fill the hopper with hardwood pellets and then turn the dial to high. And now with the temperature dial turned to high, you can see the auger turning a little bit. And what we need to do is wait until pellets start falling down into the fire pot. So we're just going to wait for that to happen. Okay, so some pellets are starting to fall into the fire pot. We're just going to wait till a few more. And get pushed in. There we go. Okay, and once the pellets start falling into the fire pot, then we switch it back to shutdown cycle, and that's going to reset the hot rod. Let that sit for a second or two. And then we turn the dial to smoke. And now we wait until flames start coming out of the fire pot. We have flames coming out of the fire pot now. So next, put it into shutdown cycle, switch it off. So now we're going to let this cool down, and then we'll start seasoning. The grill has cooled enough so we can begin the seasoning. So we're gonna flip it on, turn it to smoke. And then we are going to turn it up to high. And we're gonna let it go for about a half an hour. Like that. We'll close down the lid. And I'm actually pretty curious to see, because on this Traeger, it's hard to see, the smoke vents out the back, which I think is pretty cool. There's no stack on it or anything like that. There's just some vents out the back, and that is how it works. We'll let this go for about 30 minutes and we should be all done then. The Traeger has been running for about 45 minutes now on the high setting. So what we're going to do is flip it down over to shutdown cycle, because our grill is now seasoned. Just gonna lift the lid up. And yeah, you can feel some good heat coming off of there. Now, one thing I never noticed with, you can actually see the flames shooting up the side there. So I did not realize how hot that gets under there. That's crazy. And I didn't realize how loud it is. Like, that fan is blowing pretty darn loud. And yeah, I just these gas grills didn't make a whole lot of noise. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I know it wasn't too interesting, but I thought I'd bring you along for the initial firing and seasoning of my new Traeger. Looking forward to making more videos with it in the future. So hit that thumbs up button down there, leave me a comment, and share this with your friends as well. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.